Hey everyone, welcome back. We are going to be working on wireframes and a bunch of other things. In this section, what you're going to learn is going to be huge. You're going to learn how to build, or at least start building and using a small asset library. This means we are going to jump into some very quick things about styles when it comes to color and typography. We're going to learn a little bit more about components and maybe how to create some more complex components that allow you to, have variants and these different layer styles. So, it's going to be super fun. And then once we work on that and finish it, we are going to work on some wireframes for ourselves. That means we're going to build a bunch of pages based off of our user flows and sketches and sitemap. So if you have all that knowledge that you've built up over the last, I don't know how long you've been watching, but last couple of days, last couple of hours, we've learned so much about user flows, sketching, and sitemaps, and we can use all that information to really funnel into these wireframes, since we are starting to get a really good understanding of where certain content is placed. So we're going to learn a bunch about that. We're going to build home screens, wish list screens. We'll go into even some product pages and stuff like that. We'll build some fun pages together. And then we are going to be using a couple of different plugins this time. So definitely going to be using Lorem Ipsum. So if you do not have that plugin, definitely grab it. That will let you come up with some easy content. So definitely grab that plugin. Okay, I can't wait to jump in and start building some of these amazing screens. See you soon.